no?
Huh?
Maybe there's a snake.
I don't think so.
Oh, there's a hole. I will not take a rest. Hi, this is the river flows. Yeah. And then I go now in a bit to the springs, bodies in our country. And I don't like to touch the trees because maybe it's, you know, like the trees that have poison. Yeah, and you know, I'm so allergy. Yeah, so see you in a bit. Charan! I'm back now to Kalasangan. Yeah. Mauna ninaan ako sa Lasangron sa kalagitnaan na isa pa streams, batis, unsa man ang batis sa kuan ay Cebuano or Binisaya ba. Yeah. The stream sound, that one. Amazing. And the really beautiful and lots of people here. See? Yeah. So that's the stream. Going to the other side of the trail. Yeah, lots are enjoying, especially kids. Yeah. So I need to go in this area and the other side. The whole part of the spring. I'm here. Baka ma-outbalance ba ako, oy? Mahulog yung sa alligator ani, akan ko. So finally, I stand still and strong. And you can see also my background. It's a river flow, shallow. And it's more dangerous because maybe the alligator is here. But the other people is on the other side. I really want to agi ba ana dito sa pikas kaso lang basing naabay ko ang buaya. Yeah, so I gonna just stop up to here. Finally, the food is here. Yay! Yay! Wow! Deliciousness overload. Back and ready to go back home. Done my dinner, very simple dinner like fried chicken from Wayne's Eatery and Grocery, and I need it take out. Kids are also enjoying adventure, so I just continue until I reach. Hi, how are you? Oh, yeah, so it's the end of the nature trail. Yeah, so this is the weather. It's alright. Yeah. Hi, baby boy. Yeah. So this is beautiful weather, and this is the end of the nature trail. Awesome. I love you all. Mwah. I start going to the other nature trail. So this is my way. So beautiful. Now it's getting cloudy. It's a bit darker here. Hi. now shortened because I came from the other side. So Spring Run Trail takes you through a river floodplain. This trail is occasionally flooded, but be careful of exposed roots and muds. Okay, got it. So I start again, and this one, caution for our safety. Alligator! Alligators! Oh my lord. Alligators are present along the trails. Oh my lord. I never expect it. Yeah, so I'm gonna start. This is a 30-minute, but